Hello all, this is Vasuki from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about the introduction to visual analytics in time series. So in this previous video we are discussing about how the maps are plotted here in data visualization. So here we can discuss about the time series of the flatted files. So first, time series is nothing but if I am taking as a flat file from Google or else any other website from that. So in that flat file, the data may be consisting of any document or else Excel file, or else the data may be present in a structured data or else unstructured data or else in semi-structured data. So here, so what are the data? So here we just analyzing the data based on the time series. So this is nothing but it's maybe a calendar year or else any academic year or else in a specific quarters or else in a specific month. So in that month if I need a data in week wise, so after that I need to calculate the data for every day, then every hour, then every minute. So likewise we can drill down the data. So that is called as an time series. So it is nothing but if I am taking as an any one Excel file, so here based on the data how it will be drilled down. Okay, so that is considering as an time series. So here as a long we have been recording a data, time has been in a functional factor. So in this time series the time is significant or else a variable of the data, which means whatever the data we are provide, the data should be present in a variable manners, which means the customized the data. The time series analysis helps us to study our world or learn how we are progress within the data. So that is considering as a time series. So this is the best example. Here if you are looking at this data in this chart, if you're looking at down May 2016, so in that they can categorizing the based on the necessity data. So in via x-axis they are providing as an year of the data. So in y-axis they are providing so what kind of value should be mapped with that. So here if you are taking as the two values, the line chart will be drawn. So here if you're looking at this left side, they can provide the pages, filters. So after that it is consisting of one called maps. So here we can provide whether it is a what kind of automatical value we have to provide. So first one is a color, second one is a size, third one is a label, and fourth one we have to provide the path values. Okay, so after that, after providing the data, the line chart will be displayed over here. So here I am drill down the data from each and every month. So if you are looking at the down x-axis, the May 2016, then September 2016, afterwards we have to providing a in continuous data. So that is called as a time series analysis example. Okay. Then next we can list out some examples of the time series analysis in that action. So first one is the weather related data, second one is the rainfall measurements. So these both are mainly providing output in terms of prediction. So based on the previous records we can predict whether on the day whether the rainfall is happening or not. So it is a prediction, so it may be work out 99.9%. Then next one, if you're moving so this is the weather related domain. The next if you're moving on to the medical field, so in medical field also the time series is strictly used for that. So first one is a temperature reading for the every patient. The next one is a heart rate monitoring, so that is EKG. So here I need to collect a continuous data. The next one is a brain monitoring system, so that is EEG. So these are then better one more example is death rate, birth rate. So these can be analyzed in a medical related terms. So these are the just examples for that. Then next if you are moving on to that any sales and human resource means, so we can easily collect any one departmental store or else any retail stores quarterly sales and stock verification and stock prices, then automated stock trading. If you're moving on to that industry, so what are the industry forecasts, and if you moving on to the banking system, what are all the interest rate, how many customers are taking a loan, how they need to what are all the persons they are spending money in an efficient manner, how they are all paying their interest in properly. So these are all the best examples we can provide the time series of the every data analysis action. So this is the one more example time series analysis type. First one is the classification, curve fitting, the next descriptive analysis and explanative analysis. So furtherly we have to moving on to that next broadcasting, invention analysis and segmentation value. Thank you.